I can see the pain waving in your eyes, and I know how hard you try. You deserve to have so much more. I can feel your heart in a single time.